Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter L. Capital L, little l. What words begin with L? Oh, that's a tree. We will talk about trees in the T video. Right now, I would like to talk about a log. A log is a tree that has been cut down. And all of its limbs removed. Log. L-O-G. The word log begins with the letter L. Logs are big and round. Lumber. L-U-M-B-E-R. The word lumber also begins with the letter L. Lumber is a log cut into planks and boards. Lumber is used to make things. It could be a shelf, a fence, or a house. Lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D. Did you know that lizards have the ability to lose their tail and grow it back? That must hurt. Lizards come in many sizes. What sound does the letter L represent? Ooh. Can you say ooh? Very good. L, the 12th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.